Hey guys, welcome back to Stewie's Garage. I got a short little video for you today on how to replace the output shaft seal on an early 2000s Audi A4. So I got my 2002 Audi A4 here. It is a Quattro, so we've got the drive axle to the rear. So my output shaft seal's been leaking for a while now, and it's because that seal in there is kind of cockeyed as well as just old and dried out. I've had a real heck of a time finding the right seal. I got this one from Rock Auto, wrong auto, so wrong seal. This one is from AutoZone, that's also the wrong seal. They gave me a manual transmission one, I don't know why. So what I ended up doing was I went to Volkswagen and I got the part number, which is that right there. So you can see that, it's part number. They wanted to charge me 135 bucks for the seal, so I said no, and I went about 1 mile away to O'Reilly's, and they cross-referenced it, and this is the seal that I ended up getting. So that seal just slides onto this piece right here, and then there's the seal, the new seal. So I'm going to go ahead and install that in. The other seals wouldn't fit. I was also going to do a full video on how to replace this and how to take it apart, but honestly it's just so simple to do that I don't really need to refilm this. So you've got 6 hex bolts that go around here. You just take those out one at a time as you rotate the axle. They're size 6 Allen, and then there's a center bolt that goes into here, and that is a Torx 40. And I just used my impact gun to do it. Didn't go too hard on the power, so I didn't break anything, and now I'm going to pop out the seal and swap it out. So hopefully that helps you guys and saves you some money. The new seal from O'Reilly's was like 10 bucks. And so, yeah, these things go out pretty frequently. I need to do the other seals on my CV axle as well. As you can see, they're leaking. But it's for another day. It's also nice if you have a lift, but you don't need a lift as long as you can get underneath the car and get to that seal. So, good luck with your repairs. Thanks for watching Stewie's Garage. Well, that's it, guys. Pretty easy. I guess I was gonna film putting it back together. Thanks for watching Stewie's Garage. Hopefully things go well in your projects.